Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a remote job search with FlexJobs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your remote work goals. Identify the type of remote job that fits your skills and interests. Research the industries that commonly offer remote positions. Create a dedicated workspace that helps you stay focused during your job search. Visit the FlexJobs website to explore their offerings. Sign up for a FlexJobs membership to access exclusive remote job listings. Use the advanced search filters to narrow down your job options. Save jobs that interest you to apply later. Set aside time each day to apply for positions. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job application. Highlight relevant remote work experience and skills in your application. Utilize keywords from the job description to increase visibility. Prepare for virtual interviews by practicing common remote interview questions. Ensure your technology is reliable for video calls. Follow up politely with employers after submitting applications. Join online communities and networks related to remote work. Engage with others to gain insights and job leads. Stay organized by keeping track of the jobs you've applied to. Regularly revisit FlexJobs for new listings. Maintain a positive mindset throughout your job search journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.